Hi, I'm Kerri Lawless, and today I have a super charming home to show you located in Covington Point Subdivision in Covington. This is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, spacious home located in a cul-de-sac on a huge lot with rear yard access. There is so much to see in this adorable home. Let's go in and check it out. As you walk through that charming front door, you walk right into the living room. Now this room has some great features. First of all, it's a very nice size. It has vinyl plank flooring and an octagon step ceiling detail. So you can use this room as a combination dining and living space, or if you wanted to, you could just have one large living space and use this room that's to the right of the entrance as your dining room. Otherwise, this could be a great office or any other kind of flex space. All right, let's keep going. As we come on through toward the kitchen, we are first met with this half bath. This is such a conveniently located space, and there's even lots of additional cabinetry in here for storage. And who can't use extra storage? All right, now as we go on through to the kitchen, this is my favorite space in the home. It's been so beautifully renovated. There's true 3-centimeter granite. There's this beautiful white porcelain farmhouse sink, a chrome farmhouse style faucet, and beautiful stainless appliances. Then we even have this gorgeous vent hood here. I just love this space. All right, let's keep going. This house has a split floor plan, and I just love that because the primary suite is all the way on one side of the house by itself for privacy. Now this bedroom is a great size, easily can fit a king size bed, lots of furniture, and has huge windows just flooding the space with natural light. And then we move on into the primary bath, which has a nice size vanity and a huge soaking tub. All right, still much more to see. Now we are completely moving on to the other side of the home, and there are 3 bedrooms on this side. So toward the front of the home, we have bedroom number 2. So this is a really good size. It has a huge window up front, and it actually has 2 windows just flooding this room with natural light. Now moving into the hallway, this is the shared bathroom, and this has been beautifully renovated. I just love the tile work that has been done on this shower. Just so many charming little details, and the tile is warm and actually quite beautiful. Now connected through this hallway is the 3rd of the 4 bedrooms, and this is a very good size too. And now we're going to move on to bedroom number 4. As we move toward the back of the house, we're walking into the 4th and final bedroom. And what I love so much about this bedroom is this corner that's all windows. This looks onto a beautiful, huge, picturesque backyard, and that's where we're going next. As we walk toward the backyard, we're walking through this fantastic indoor-outdoor space. This room is such a great extension of the outdoors, and it's perfect for entertaining. Now, as we walk on through to this magnificent backyard, we're coming through, there's a nice raised deck area. There's a great space right here that's a garage, and then here is the yard. This space is absolutely amazing. There's actually a play structure here. There's a tremendous amount of storage for all of your toys. The rear yard access is phenomenal, and this yard wraps all the way around. This is such a great home. Make your appointment today. My name is Kerri Lawless.